Guys, look, we had a phone explode this morning. LG Stylo 5. Poof! Yeah, we'll talk about it. Hey everyone,
Hi,
Zelda,
and Tony.
TandZRVLife.
RVing.
Well, it's very pretty out. We're at our friend's house, and I made a recording of our phone explosion, and I'll show you the pictures, but it was really scary. We're sitting there, it was an LG Stylo 5, and all of a sudden, this one over here sat it on the box. I think he was picking with the back. I'm not sure. But we heard, and then woof! It was a huge flame. I mean, huge, like my hand. Woo! And everybody jumped up. It was like, fire! We put it out, but it set up all the alarms. It was very scary. But you got to see the pictures. It was something. But anyway, I just wanted to say hi, and we'll show you this pretty garden. What is it? Beans and
This is string beans, green string beans, yellow string beans, turnip greens, tomatoes, cabbage.
what kind of are those greens over there?
Cabbage,
Oh, that's cabbage. Okay.
marshmallows,
Peppers.
watermelons, and red peppers and green peppers.
But it's yummy. It's yummy. I think. Well, I don't know. Well, it was nice. He throws everything back into the garden once and tills it over and starts again next year. But anyway, have a good one. Stay
Bye.
safe. Bye.